Hi there, my name's Mark. I'm from tvONE. Really pleased to welcome you to InfoComm 2017 to the tvONE booth. It's been really busy all week, so I hope to give you kind of a feeling of what we've been up to, especially with Coriomaster. And this is our Coriomaster creative wall. This great shot of the New York subway spread out across a bunch of screens. Slight bit of upscaling, and there's some real creativity here. And you notice at the end I've rotated the monitors. They're all rotated at 45, and at the end they're custom rotation. Also, you can't really notice it, but actually this footage was shot, it wasn't straight. So we've actually straightened the source material as well. And I can rotate my material by degree, my material or my displays. This is all using displays, 46-inch displays. We could be using any size. So using our design software, Choreographer, we can create any size of screen or monitor, any format, and we can put it in. I mean, have a look at this guy here. This is a little bit more simple. This is a 2x2 video wall, and this is like for corporate collaboration. So we're firing off. The big boss is doing his PowerPoint presentation. He just finishes. We want to then go to the next presentation, or we're going to go full screen with this one. Maybe we want to go to another source now. And then we can just fire through all these presets. And now we've got the new presentation as well. So we do a mix of creative and standard, but all of it we do with exquisite scaling, really low latency and high quality. Let me show you the solutions themselves. So this wall explains it all brilliantly. So we have three types of mainframe. This is the 4IU. This is the 4IU Coriomaster. It has 16 slots. Into those we put I/O modules. Then we've got the Coriomaster Mini, which is 1IU. It comes with one fixed input slot, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots you can add modules. And then the latest, I'll show you the real model in a minute, it's the Coriomaster Mini, and these are our modules. So we can add a mixture of AV and broadcast modules. We also have an IP decode module. That's new this year, so that can decode IP feeds up to 4K. We also have a new module which is HD-based input, which can go long range, 1080p up to 150 meters, and we can also do 4K with it as well. So let me show you the gear itself. So this is the Coriomaster Micro, and it's half rack 1RU. You notice it's got buttons on the front. This is our first Coriomaster that's had buttons on the front, and we can use this to fire sources, we can use it to fire presets, we can also use it to change audio sources as well. Yeah, I did say audio because it has got audio on the back. So here's the 3 slots, a control slot, and we also have audio as well. It's the first Coriomaster that's had audio, and it's a real bonus when you're doing a small little system such as a corporate collaboration system, maybe a retail system, and you want audio coming out the back as well. Now, this card here is our media streaming module. So we can take an IP feed in, and we can also plug a USB stick in, you can see there. So we can play either IP streams or clips or stills from the IP, through IP, or through the USB stick, or through an internal SSD drive. Now, we've tried to make it really simple to do this. So we've designed a sister product. This is our encoder. We work with any encoder out there, and I've worked with a number of different models that you'll have seen at InfoComm this year, but this is ours. It's called the Media Encoder 100, and it's from Magenta. Magenta's a tvONE company, it's part of our family. You can see on the back, it's got a number of kind of connections, including HDMI in, it's got a local loop out. Now, what makes this clever is as soon as you put this on the same network as a Coriomaster with a decoding card, it will automatically recognize it, so you don't have to do any setting up. You can just simply drag that IP feed into a playlist and play it without any hassle whatsoever. So that's a bunch of new products there. The Coriomaster Micro with touch buttons and audio, super powerful. The IP decode, so the media streaming and IP decode card, and finally Magenta Encoder 100. Now, if you want to find out more, these rave videos are great, but we can't go into as much depth as we like. Go to our YouTube site. So after you've looked at all our videos on the Rave website, come to our website as well. Go to YouTube, search for tvONE-AV. So tvONE-AV, and we've got loads of videos that we shot in our own YouTube studio that shows you this all working in much more depth. My name's Mark Trevino. thanks for joining us at InfoComm 2017. Watch all our other videos on this website and also on our YouTube site as well. Thanks for watching now.